Come, we have discussed about mm, previous video how to analysis and how to interpret the results. Today we have to check the top and bottom reinforcement and required reinforcement of this uh, water tank. Design, no. Actually, we have water tanks and shell design. There is no run design in SAP 2000. We are uh, stick with the shear forces and stresses. Here, just click shell. From here, concrete design. This is option. So you can use visible phase maximum. I use maximum AST1, AST2. These two are the reinforcement detail of the required reinforcement of these models as per demand. Just clicking here. So you just click here. So this is your reinforcement. Reinforcement. So this is the reinforcement given by SAP 2000. If you click here, so it will show you the required reinforcement per meter strip. So you can find out the steel bars for the maximum, and you can apply for the uh, whole wall of these RCC walls. Here you click. I think this is the maximum here. Here the maximum. So you can per meter. So this reinforcement require per meter strip. Let's suppose this is the meter. This is the strip per meter strip, and this much area of reinforcement required. So this is all about of the water tank. So if you have some query regarding water tank, you can put your query so we can